This video reviews a really important percentage skill which can be called reverse percentages. Now Mike invests some money which increases by 5%. He withdraws £25. There is then some sort of banking crash and he loses 30% of his investment. He now has £203. What did he invest originally? Now, a nice way to see this is to imagine some sort of flow diagram. So Mike invests some money, which is unknown. However, this increases by 5%. And we know that if we times by 1.05, this is the same as working out a 5% increase. He then withdraws £25, so £25 are taken away. He then loses 30% of his investment. Well, to take away 30% is the same as finding 70% or timesing by 0.70. And he now has £203. Now, we must now work backwards through the flow diagram by doing the inverse operations. So we start at 203. First of all, we will divide by 0.70. So 203 divided by 0.7, so 203 divided by 0.7 is 290. We then have to add 25. So 290 plus 25 is 315. And finally, we have to divide by 1.05. So 315 divided by 1.05 works out to be £300. So Mike invested £300 originally. And again, the key thing here is to think about it in terms of operations. And to work backwards, we use the same decimals or numbers, but the inverse operation by dividing or adding or dividing as necessary. I think my key advice is to show each step really carefully and really clearly.